Welcome to Sisters Painting and Decorating. Tara here, and today we're going to be painting a children's bedroom. We're going to be doing a feature wall, this wall here, and we're going to be creating a geometric pattern using 3 colours and some painter's tape. Okay, and the painter's tape we're going to be using is this here, frog tape. It is the yellow one, which is for freshly painted surfaces, and it will create those immaculate straight lines. So that's why we're using this one. So let's get started. So here we go, we've got our tape, and I will be using a little razor blade just to cut the tape. So we're going to be starting in the top corner, and all we're going to be doing basically is just doing lines with the tape. Okay, so I'm going to go from the top corner down to the skirting board to create the first line. And that's what I'll be doing all over the wall. So it's really easy and simple, anybody can do it. And we won't even be using a spirit level to make the line straight either, because last time we didn't really need to. So as long as you keep the tape nice and smooth against the wall. The great thing about this is it doesn't have to be perfect. And then cut the end off using the blade. Make sure it's nice and straight. There we go. And from here, we're just going to create other, mainly triangles, but other shapes as well. So we're just going to we put some tape across there, maybe some up there, maybe down there. Just put tape all over the wall and then paint them different colours. And that's it, really, dead simple. Here we go, this is the wall with all the tape on. Really, really easy to do. Even my sister trusted me with this job. So, to do this video, so I hope I don't get it wrong. But yeah, all the tape's on the wall, really easy to do. Just make sure you smooth the tape down with your thumb and make sure it's really, really tight to the wall, no air in it whatsoever, because we're going to be painting over, the tape's going to get paint on it, so we need to make sure the lines are smooth. Okay, right, the next stage now will be painting. Okay, so here we are, just painting. Getting on with it pretty well, about halfway done. And we'll be able to see the finished product soon. Paint's on, 2 coats of paint. The paint is still wet and we need to take the tape off whilst the paint is wet. Okay, so I'm gonna start taking the tape off. I'll just show you how easy it is. If I can grab the corners of some of it. Comes off super easy, and this type of tape doesn't pull your paint off either. So just gonna grab some more. Show you here, look. Let's see how well it's worked. So you can see, look how nice those lines are. This really is great tape to use. We always use this one when we're doing projects. It's just finding the little corners. And I mean, this design as well is so easy to do. I mean, even I can do it. And my sister's let me do this video. So, because that's how easy it is, it's so easy. And you can do any patterns as well. We are going to venture out into some different patterns soon. But this one's probably, I think, the easiest one to do, because you can literally just put the tape anywhere and create any shapes you want, really. You can see those smooth white lines coming. It's really easy to peel off as well. So here's the finished product. The paint is still wet, that's why the blue, especially, that was the last colour to get done, looks a little patchy, but as soon as it's dry I will take a picture and add it on to the end of the video. But that's how easy it is to create this pattern, this geometric pattern. And you can do any colours you want. I quite like these colours that I've picked for this bedroom. But yeah, super easy to do. And it's great fun as well. I've had quite good fun doing that today, and I've done it all today as well. So, you know, it's a great little project. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll pop the photo on the end of this video.